Yeah, friends, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. These technical issues keep on arising. So we start with the article writing, in which there is nothing much to teach all of you. I'll show you some articles, some short examples, and again, please abide with the word limit which is given to you in the exam. Again, I'll repeat that. Don't try to count कि सर ने इतने वर्ड्स लिखे थे एग्जाम में तो इतना ही आएगा. नो सच क्वेश्चंस कि सर पहले 10 मार्क्स का आता था अब 5 मार्क्स का आता है. Please, no such queries. The things have changed. The thing is changed. Only the Deborah, please. Your video is on again. Deborah, very good morning. Your video is on. Deborah, why are you looking tense? Your voice is not audible. Unmute yourself. And video off कर दो बेटा. Video on है, mic off है. I'm unable to hear you. Please log out and re-log in. Okay, so let's start. And we start with article writing. Article, most of you have been doing it for the last so many years. Is the screen shared, students? Yeah, is the screen shared properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Start with article writing. First of all, article will never be in a box. Even though by chance, even of two articles in the solution box maybe have been shown, you don't have to make box in the article. Clear? Abide with the word limit which will be somewhere around 150 to 175 words. Whenever I talk about word limit, don't ask questions like, sir, EGMR is counted, A and the count hota hai, comma full stop count hota hai. No such thing. Nobody has time to count each and every word of yours. A random checking is done. At a glance, they will analyze, yes, how many words the student has used in one line. They came through the page, around 20 lines. The student has used around 8 words or 9 words in a line. 920, 180. Yes, so 170, 180 is the word limit which is analyzed, and the word limit arts is 150 to 175. You are through with the word limit. This is the way the things are done. Okay, all of you. So nobody counts each and every, so don't get tensed. So the students keep on asking me such things. Sir, word limit कैसे count होती है? This is counted. How many pages to write? First of all, there is nothing called as how many pages to write. It depends on the individual's handwriting. If you just, if I write an article, maybe one page, maybe in one page I may be able to, I have such a small handwriting that maybe I'll be able to push up around 250 words in a page. And some students have long, bigger type of handwriting. They may be able to put up only 150 words something on one page. So there is nothing called as page. कि कितने पेज में हमको लिखना है. Okay, clear? Now we'll go with articles. Solid examples.
The background noise.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
The background noise आ रहा है थोड़ा.
अब आ रहे कलर? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
पहले वाइट ही था,
ठीक
अब
है
हाँ?
सर कलर नहीं नॉइज आ रहा है पीछे से।
नॉइज बेटा मेरी तरफ से कोई नॉइज नहीं है. आई एम सिटिंग इन अ साउंड प्रूफ रूम. No disturbance
नहीं
is there
सर
from
ठीक
my
है.
side. Hmm? No disturbance is there from my side actually. Some technical issues with network के कारण आ रहा, then at least I am sorry for it. There's nothing from my side. How to write an article? A topic will be given. The name of the article writer will be given. So write the heading, the title on the top. Preferably block letters. Not at all compulsory. Then writing the name of the writer. Just below the heading. Just in a bracket, write the name of the person given. This is the format for writing an article. Article, you have to think everything. You can put up realistic figure, facts and figures if you feel. You have to devise everything. There are no shortcuts where articles are concerned. So again, whenever you take up article writing, start thinking, start jotting down the points on the last page of the rough page. Bring down the thoughts in the form of points on the rough page. Try to sequence them and then start writing on your answer sheet so that there are no errors, continuity is maintained, no cancellations, and so on. Where article is concerned, article can be one paragraph, two paragraph, three paragraph. It depends on the way you are writing. And a new paragraph means you are shifting your attention or focus into some another point of that topic. So this is the way you have to write an article. So first, the heading on the top, just below it, the name of the article writer. After this, leave a line. Make the things clear. And I just noticed that students who have been practicing and sending the things to get it checked, one common mistake which I have found in few students is line वाला मान. इतना जल्दबाजी में इतनी जल्दी जल्दी लिख के भेज देते हैं कि एटलीस्ट हेडिंग एंड रनिंग मैटर में द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट लिविंग लाइन. इट लुक्स क्लमसी. अब खुद कंपेयर करना स्लाइड शॉट या अपने स्क्रीन शॉट जो भी लिए विद द वंस the students have been writing and sending it to me. Yes, few students have been sending, so please अपना उस चीज को workout करना. Let the things look clear, attractive. Now start writing the things. A very simple topic I've taken in the series of syllables. Again, you can change the paragraphs, no problem, but it should be left aligned. And now you must have realized what I mean by left alignment. Everything from the left. Don't leave some space between the left margin and the first word which you start in the first line of a new paragraph. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And the same way you can use in your question answers also, and all the writing compositions. Even though if you're changing paragraph, just in letter writing also I showed you. Want to change the paragraph? You can highlight the things by leaving a line between them, or taking the last words which are coming on the right hand margin to the next line. Just in the first paragraph, the word disturbance, I could have squeezed in that fourth line itself. But then it becomes confusing कि ये मेरा नया paragraph है. The second paragraph, is it a new paragraph or is it in continuity? So whenever such things arise, yes, the common way, leave some space on the right hand margin. कोई problem नहीं. Bring one or two words down. Just the way I brought this word disturbance, the way I brought this word to be in the second paragraph, and so again this shows that a new paragraph is there. Else the other way is leave a line between the paragraphs. You can just go to the matter. Every all facts and figures you can put up whatever you can think about it. You have to write about those points. when where article is concerned or articles are concerned, exam point of view, always, or maybe you have ample of time, you can keep on practicing on the topics like pollution, population, करप्शन. रोज पेपर पढ़ोगे तो रोज एक दो नाम आते रहते हैं. हाउ द पॉपुलेट करप्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. So these are the points you can always practice. I think spelling mistake will be mentioned. Excuse me, but I think you have understood that it is not option, it is corruption. So population, pollution, corruption, environment is always a common topic. Now one more thing you can just practice. Pandemic. It has been always noticed that in the exams, some major issues or major concerns globally or nationwide, those topics in one form or the other, they are always reflected in the exam. And I don't think so there is any other major concern except this pandemic, which everybody is having a bad experience. So try to work out something on it. Try to gather. I don't mean to say that all the exact facts and figures होना चाहिए कि 1 crore died or 1 lakh died. Appropriate, approximate figure also you can take. How the thing started, what casualties took place, yes, what were the 2 points of source on the what were the sufferings, then what happened, people started going to the native places on foot, by train, by buses and so on. Yes, many social organizations, NGOs came forward to help them. The thing looked to be in control. The vaccine was developed, but even after the vaccine, the new strain has now come, which is now becoming fatal. Try to gather such points. एक बनाओ अपनी तरफ से and you can send it to me to get it checked. And I am also preparing a nice article for it. As soon as the thing is ready, I'll share it with all of you. Maybe in the group or something. My friend, I'll try to send the. So pandemic पे आप practice कर सकते हो. Then other topics are social levels. Again, a very common topic you can always get. Social levels. This can just include child labor, dowry system, and many other things. Then topics called as discipline in everybody's life, the role of youth in politics. Think about those things. Then modern technology. Always try to work it out. Modern technology को अच्छा लिखो कुछ. Think, putting those thoughts in the form of sentences. So in exam, the things will become very easy. You won't be raw कि आपको कुछ नहीं आता है उस पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में. So such point topics are always important. Ragging. And one more topic you can always prepare is terrorism. So try to work out on all such topics and you realize कि एग्जाम में इसी में से कुछ आया है in one form or the. And then modern technology, misuse of technology. Every second, third day, we keep on reading such things. Try to gather information. And the more you read, the more you gather information, the more it will be beneficial for you to write your article is. Is it okay where article is there? So again, I'll repeat, no box. If the article is going on, stretching onto 2 pages, stretch it out, no problem at all. Even letter writing. One student called me up last evening. Sir, letter is going on 2 pages. Let it go. Let it to editor जा रहे 2 पेज में जाने दो आराम से. Don't control the page. Keep the word limit in check. And word limit, I'll again repeat, even though in exam they give the word limit something as 150 to 175 for example. Don't go to the lower one. Go to the higher side, that is 175. And even though if you exceed a bit, nothing to worry. Because as per the norms, as per the marking scheme, marks are not to be deducted for some over usage of the word limit. But yes, If the word limit is around 150 to 175 and you land up writing 250 words, so I don't think so that I'll read I'll read something around 200 words. फिर बाकी मैं क्यों पढूं? Because उसके मार्क्स से देने ही नहीं मुझे, then I may not read it. So try to think those points and compile them nicely. Keep the word limit under your belt. Under. Is this easy one clear? Misuse of cell phones? Yes or no? Yes, no responses. Am I audible or no?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ऐसे बोलो, सब चुप हो गए, मुझे लगा कि मैं खाली अकेले अकेले विंडो अपने आप से बात कर रहा हूँ। ओके
सर हेल्पिंग वो आर्टिकल को भी वर्ड्स में काउंट करते हैं?
मेरे भगवान, अभी 2 मिनट पहले क्या बोला? प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेना। डोंट आस्क मी, बेटा सालों से लिख रहे हो, व्हाई डू आस्क सच स्टूपिड क्वेश्चंस? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और ये और वो कोई नहीं गिनता एक एक वर्ड। अभी मैंने क्या कहा था इंग्लिश और हिंदी में, रिपीट कर रहा हूँ। Randomly one line is taken, number of words are counted, number of lines are checked, word limit is finished. समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
यस
अभी
सर।
अभी 5 मिनट्स भी नहीं हुआ, अभी मैंने उस चीज को बोला। अगेन दैट सिली स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन कम्स। पता नहीं दिस वर्ड लिमिट हवा बन गया स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में। प्लीज कीप अ चेक ऑन इट। आई टोल्ड यू बी वेरी क्लियर इन, कूल माइंड से करो चीजें। अगर आप खुद सोचो, आपको 10 आर्टिकल में दूंगा, क्या एक वर्ड्स काउंट, एक एक वर्ड्स काउंट करके आप चेक करोगे क्या? इस साल की कॉपीज अगले साल भी चेक नहीं होंगी अगर सब ऐसे चेक करने बैठे तो। दिस इज आई टोल्ड यू इनिशियली। मुझे पता था ये स्टूपिड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, देयरफॉर बिफोर द स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड मैंने बोल दिया हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज एम आर ये एंड द, बच्चे पूछते हैं और वही चीज बोलने के बाद भी आ गई।
बताइए ना।
क्या बताऊं? या क्या बताऊं? बताओ। somebody said बताइए ना, क्या what you want to me to tell, what you want me to show? कि ए एंड द काउंट होता है कि नहीं, ये पूछ रहे हो? काउंट होता है। इज एम आर काउंट होता है। फुल स्टॉप कॉमा। डोंट आस्क मी दिस नो प्लीज। मिल गया जवाब? क्या हुआ? गवर्नर वांटेड सर बताइए ना, व्हाट एल्स यू वांट मी? इज इट ओके? इज योर डाउट क्लियर? जिसकी भी डाउट थी।
यस सर।
सर एक चीज पूछना था सर, जैसे सर इसको हमने सर 4 पैराग्राफ में डिवाइड किया है, तो सर इसको हम किसी टाइप से डिवाइड करते हैं क्या? मतलब
बेटा आप
जैसे
लोग
तीन
सुनते नहीं हो
पैराग्राफ
क्या? आप लोग सोते हो कि जब मैं बोलता हूँ कुछ तो?
सर थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था तो लेट हो गया।
आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू हाउ टू टीच द स्टूडेंट्स समथिंग। तो ये लगता है, कभी कभी लगता है इंग्लिश जिंदगी में पहली बार पढ़ रहे हो। आर्टिकल जैसे स्कूलों में लिखता था वैसे ही लिखना है आपको। इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द पैराग्राफ, चेंज द पैराग्राफ एंड डोंट काउंट आई हैव चेंज 4 पैराग्राफ, तो आपको 4 पैराग्राफ ही लिखना है। प्लीज हाथ जोड़ता हूँ आप सबके। इफ यू वांट टू फिनिश द आर्टिकल इन 2 पैराग्राफ, फिनिश इट ऑफ। डोंट गो कि सर आपने 4 पैराग्राफ बनाया तो वी आल्सो मेकिंग 4 पैराग्राफ। 4 पैराग्राफ बनाने के लिए आपके पास पॉइंट्स तो होने चाहिए 4। Article is not necessary that you have to finish in 1 paragraph only. If you are changing paragraph, change, but there is no limit to number of changing of paragraph. But don't make 8, 9, 10 paragraphs. It would look very, very odd. कि 2-2, 3-3 लाइन के पैराग्राफ बनाते रहोगे, 10-12 पैराग्राफ बना दोगे, 150 वर्ड्स हो गए। प्लीज। ओके बेटा?
ओके सर।
So number of paragraph is no rule in article. Number of paragraphs is important when letter writing is concerned, 3 paragraph। वो मैं स्पेसिफिकली बता देता हूँ हमेशा। लिविंग अ लाइन, नॉट लिविंग लाइन आपके ऊपर छोड़ दिया मैंने। एंड डोंट प्लीज अगेन काउंट माय वर्ड्स कि सर आपका तो इज एम आर काउंट करके 200 वर्ड हो गया, वर्ड लिमिट 150 आती है, 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होता है, इतना क्यों लिखे? You write the way or how much you want, it's up to you. But abide with the word limit. This is what I always tell. Again, something from the book. Now don't tell me, sir, आपने तो इतना सारा लिखा है. Please, before I don't want such queries. And this thing, I assume that you all have the modules.
Yes, sir.
English के module. हाँ, तो ये सब चीज़ मैंने module
Yes,
में
sir.
लिखे हुए हैं. Nothing extra I have added. All these topics are given in the module. The main thing I wanted to tell you is the heading, the name of the writer, and leave a line and no box in article writing. This is simple. And please lay out clearly. ये मॉड्यूल में से as it is I have taken the thing. Some important topic, yes, Make in India campaign. इस पे कुछ वर्कआउट करके रखना. Modern technology, no doubt, is always important. Social level is always important. Environment related article always important. Spreading disease or pandemic जो हम भुगत रहे हैं उस पर तो प्लीज वर्कआउट करना. कुछ ना कुछ you can expect in your exam, directly or maybe indirectly. I'm just making a bit quick so that you want the screenshot you can take. Else everything is there in the module also. Search your modules where it is like. Okay? झाड़ पहुँच के उसको धूल साफ करके now start doing that things. Digital India, important topic always. So don't ask questions सर 10 marks के हिसाब से या 5 marks के हिसाब से, please. Okay. This is not there, I think, in the module. Keeping of Western culture by the younger generation. इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं कि नाम लिख के आपको इरेज करना है. सर आपने तो नाम दिखाया था कि इरेज कर दिया. सम एनिमेशन एरर है इसके अंदर. नाम आपको लिखना है. Yes, again, obesity, diseases, common thing. Obesity, मोटापा. Craze for junk food, very common topic. Work out on something. Yes, even though you like junk food, I also like, no doubt. But अगर उसकी बुराई लिखनी है तो हमको लिखनी पड़ेगी. So how things change. So jot down all the points which come to your mind and then start writing. Because I told you earlier, such long compositions में खास करके when you think as well as write, you're bound to falter. Mistake होने के chances है कि आपको जो initial points लिखना है वो बाद में दिमाग की बत्ती जले, अरे मैंने ये तो लिखा ही नहीं इसके बारे में. So be able to define something, tell something about the topic, tell something more about the topic. You can define that thing, you can put it up. लिखो जो भी लिखना है. And add facts, figures, everything is allowed in article. Now one question to all of you. अब इतने सारे पढ़ लिए होंगे आपने. एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा. In which tense article should we use? Which tense we should use? Past tense, present tense, or future tense?
Present.
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 Any other answer? Do you think that only present should be put up?
Past tense.
Only past tense? The one who said present tense, only
Future.
present tense? Somebody is saying future tense, only future tense?
Three.
mainly
sir,
present tense, sir.
तीनों.
Or maybe
So all
past
three.
tense.
Yes.
All three.
हाँ. This
सर
is
वो
what I
डिपेंड
was.
करता है हम अपने.
Yes, it depends on what and how you are writing.
Yes sir.
Suppose I just want to say, in the earlier days, the technology was not at all. There was no technology as such. In the present scenario, the technology has changed drastically, and in the future, the technology is such that maybe people may start going to Mars. Understood what I'm trying to tell you?
यस सर
पास्ट भी आ गया, प्रेजेंट भी आ गया, फ्यूचर भी आ गया. पहले जमाने में ऐसे हुआ करता था, अब की जनरेशन ऐसे करती है. पता नहीं तौबा तौबा आगे की जनरेशन कैसे निकलेगी. मेकिंग यूज ऑफ all the things. So it depends on how you're putting up the thing. Okay? So don't get confused कि कौन सा टेंस हमको करना है. Many articles are there. Importance of sports. Again a topic you can practice. Physical education लिखा है इसके अंदर. Many students must have opted for physical education as their fifth subject. पढ़ा नहीं तो क्या हुआ? एग्जाम तो दी होगी प्रैक्टिकल. Are the practicals of all the students over? Or some of the
Yes,
students?
sir.
यस सर
Sir,
ओवर
over.
Yes, sir. Over.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet, sir.
कुछ एक है बेचारे जो फंसे हुए हैं. That confusion.
हमारे जो पोस्टपोन हो गए थे
postpone नहीं किया. एक बार हो जाता तो हो जाता है. Now that confusion will there कि कब practicals होंगे कब.
मेरा हो गया सर.
ठीक है चलने दो. Don't get disturbed by such things. You focus on your exam. बोर्ड की तैयारी करो. You keep on preparing for the main and advance. Please है ना. Don't get carried away by value based education के बारे में कुछ है. Again these things are there in the module. So, again a topic I like, promotion of girls education. One more topic you can prepare is women empowerment. बहुत सारी टॉपिक्स है. प्रैक्टिस ये जाने दो. नौकरी चली जाएगी. क्रेज फॉर कोचिंग एंड मशरूमिंग ऑफ कोचिंग क्लासेस ये जाने दो. ओबेसिटी अमंग चिल्ड्रन. ओबेसिटी इज मोटापा. तो देखो सब में 4 पैराग्राफ. The one who was asking me initially, and nothing like that. 4 paragraphs are to be put up. And here I am finishing in 2 paragraphs. Finish it off. इसलिए कि हमको 4 पैराग्राफ जबरदस्ती बनाना है.
सर मैं पैराग्राफ नहीं पूछ रहा था, मैं ये पूछ रहा था मतलब उसको इस टाइप से डिवाइड करेंगे या पहले में उसके बारे में फिर दूसरे में कैसे वो
हाँ
लाया
वो मैं वो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. दिस इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर बेटा. मैं आपकी कोई बुराई में आपको कोई वो स्कोल्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. प्लीज डोंट टेक माय टोन एज स्कोल्डिंग.
नो सर
I only shouted unnecessary queries. जैसे अभी जितना EGMR पूछा था, it was irritating. तो आप लोग सबने सुना कि I told you and the same thing after 3 minutes the student is asking the same question.
यस सर
आपका जो था 4 पैराग्राफ, yes you have to divide ना. तो ये वही सोच रहा हूँ जैसे आपने नया पॉइंट अटेंशन शिफ्ट करोगे it becomes a new paragraph. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. I am not saying कि that I am targeting कि आपने ऐसा क्वेश्चन वो 4 पैराग्राफ वाला पूछा. One thing I made it clear, 4 पैराग्राफ जरूरी नहीं है. If you can finish it down 2 paragraphs, you can finish in 3 paragraphs. और paragraph में बच्चों बेटा when do we change the paragraph? You also know when we shift our attention to some new point.
ओके
है ना. Suppose obesity है. आप obesity के बारे में लिख रहे हो कुछ. What is obesity? Then second paragraph you can just say maybe want to highlight कि what are the causes of obesity.
यस
Third paragraph जैसे आपका point change होता है. That what are the problems faced because of obesity. नया पॉइंट आ गया ये. So that will become a new paragraph. This is what you are asking ना. वो तो हमको करना है.
यस सर ओके
Okay बेटा. Role of children in curbing criminalization in politics. You can take screenshot very quickly. बहुत सारे हैं. I don't know whether this have squeezed in the module or not. But एक general topic है. Done the needful? Proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Again a very general topic. आना चाहिए. आप लोगों का रोल क्या कर सकते हो. Role of children, role of students in removing illiteracy. Work out on such things. One or the other ये सब चीजें आपको कहीं ना कहीं काम आएंगी ही नहीं. Terrorist activities, pandemics, पे तो खास करके आप कुछ ना कुछ social levels workout environment, you should always be ready with things. Once you practice, the day of exam you realize सब कुछ दिमाग में वैसे ही घूम रहा है, फटाफट लिख दोगे. Don't go totally raw. Now you have ample of time, make use of the time. Common manpower. I still want to redecorate such topics, but time constraint थोड़ा रोक देता है. Things are there in the mind. Corruption. Increasing drastically. जब देखो पेपर खोलो, एक दो केस रोज आते हैं. ये ऑफिसर ना ये ऑफिसर तो 1,000 की तो 10 लाख की है. So you are at bigger levels, the things are on. So if you know things, you can highlight it. And you can stay away from all the names, है ना. ज़्यादा नाम हम किसी को वो मत इंडिकेट करने की कोशिश. The role of youth in national development. Yes, what is your role in national development? These are the way the topics you can always keep on practicing. It will help you always. So I hope the things are clear where article is concerned.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Disaster caused by terrorism. Not only it's a local national threat, it's an international threat. Nobody is left untouched. You can add something. You can make use of nice words. No problem at all. Yesterday in the other batch, one student was just asking me, not in your batch, I think in the other batch, the student was asking, sir, should we go for bright, attractive words rather than simple words? The practical reply is, use the language with which you are proficient. अगर आपको एकदम हाई-फाई लैंग्वेज आती है, use करो. Don't try to work out new words unnecessarily. और अब इंग्लिश सीखने लेके नए-नए शब्द सीखूं. Always use the language with which you are proficient. But don't overuse the attractive or the decorative language. You don't know who will be checking your answer box. I hope शायद समझ रहे होंगे इस चीज को, है ना. इतना भी मत लिखना हाई फाई कि अगर सामने वाला डिक्शनरी लेके बैठे रहे, अरे बच्चे ने यार लिखा तो लगता है सही है, शायद सही होगा, पर ज्यादा ही लिखोगे तो शायद आता मर्जी सटक लिए, वो काम ना हो. Things in control. Education for all. Again, so most of the things are there in the module. The module में सब दिया है, pollution है. So there are some topics you should keep on practicing. The future of information technology or modern technology. तैयार करो इसका कुछ. Keep the things ready. Life without modern gadgets. Yes. Try to imagine. इसके अंदर past, future सब आएगा. Try to imagine such things. So this is something about what please. So this is something about your article writing. देवव्रत, आप अभी भी दिख रहे हो आराम से. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, आपका चेहरा दिख रहा है सिर्फ. I don't know what. I'm unable to hear you. आपकी आवाज अभी भी नहीं आ रही. I can see your lips moving. इमेज में आपके वीडियो दिख रही है तो उसमें खाली आपके मुंह दिख रहा है, बट आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे। इज एनीबडी एबल टू हियर देवव्रत?
नो
नो सर।
चैट कर दो भाई, चैट।
ये मैंने उसको मैसेज भी भेजा उसको।
सर माइक ऑफ।
हाँ, तो वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, उसको माइक ऑफ होगा। सेंड दिस मैसेज, अजीब सा लग रहा है।
सर आई थिंक ही ओनली वांट टू सी यू।
आई डोंट नेट्स ओके, वांट्स टू सी मी। ठीक है, मैं अपना वीडियो बंद कर देता हूँ ताकि वो भी बंद कर देगा।
नहीं
वो
सर।
चाहता है कि आप भी उसको देखो।
हाँ,
नहीं तो ठीक है ना, वो लेन तो अच्छा है, पर पहले उसकी आवाज को सुनो, मुझे आवाज भी सुननी है उसकी।
उसको माइक ऑन करना होगा उसके
तो
लिए।
मैं लिख तो दिया, मैसेज डाल दिया मैं, दो आई थिंक सेकंड मैसेज ऑफ सेंटेंस। देवव्रत,
माइक नहीं
सर
है उसके
शायद
पास शायद।
ईयरफोन लगा रखे होंगे।
बेटा है तो हाँ, है तो उसने उसमें लगा रखा होगा, कान में नहीं लगाना भूल गया होगा।
यस सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। चलो बेटा देखो, आई थिंक आपको भी दिख रहा होगा, वो बोल तो रहा है, विल ट्राई टू वर्क आउट हिज फीलिंग्स। चलो बेचारा, चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। Now we'll take up the other topic, the last of the topic of our writing section, that is report writing. Let me share this screen first. Is the screen shared?
यस सर।
Okay. Now, report writing. Report writing, you all must have done in the earlier days again. And report you will get in option with article. And you will realize that compared to article, maybe report is easier. Because report, you have to devise things. Article, you have to put up realistic things. The report, first thing you remember, that the report should answer all the WH questions. The WH questions must be answered in report. That is, what happened, when it happened, where it happened, how it happened, for whom it happened, and so on. So all the answers to the WH questions have to be put up in the report. Reports are of two types. Report for the school magazine and the other is news report. You can get either of these to read the question carefully whether it's a news report or the report for the magazine. So report is always about the thing which has concluded, which has ended, which is finished, which is over. So whatever event, occasion, function, program जो खत्म हो चुका है उसके बारे में रिपोर्ट लिखते हैं. Hence, in which tense will you write report?
Past tense.
Report will always be in the past tense. What you feel होना चाहिए, that is not to be mentioned. क्या हुआ था, that has to be mentioned in the report. This thing please keep in mind. Now we'll take up some examples of report writing. Report for the school magazine. Count please. Where am I writing? Because before anybody asks,
तो उसका माइक ऑन हो गया।
मैंने मेरा भी बंद करा. देवराज, हेलो.
यस सर।
हाँ, अब आई ना आवाज, अच्छा लगा आवाज सुन के. अब वीडियो बंद चाहो तो कर सकते. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
Oh, actually the mic was unmute. I couldn't understand that.
ओके, चलो ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन यस स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो एंड माइक ऑन रख देना. ओके
Okay.
ओके, थैंक यू. Is the question shared in front of you now? Mewada Public School, Agra, has recently celebrated its Golden Jubilee, organizing a number of inter-school competitions and awarded the prizes in a gala function. Gala function is a grand function. As the secretary of the cultural club of the school, write a report suitable to be published in a school magazine. You are John Olive. So now, whenever you start this report writing also, bring that function in your mind. Just try to analyze what are the things must have taken place in that particular function, event, occasion, or the ceremony. Start jotting it down on the rough page and then start writing it in the answer sheet. Fair. That's the solution. Again, please don't go for a box. Because report writing also will be in 150 to 175 words. Box report writing is compulsory for RBSC students because in that the word limit is 100 to 125 words. But I think in front of me, all CBSE students are there in the word limit रहेगी 150 to 175 words. And suppose if you feel that you are able to finish that report on one page, if you want, you draw the box. But I tell my students, report में आप मत करो, चले. So don't confuse yourself where box is concerned. Short compositions, notice, advertisement, and invitation along with the replies. Those things will be in the box. बाकी आप किसी में बॉक्स मत बनाना, इस चीज को दिमाग में बैठा लो. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now report how to write.
Yes, sir.
First, the heading of the report, the title. Maybe in the earlier days, school days में आपने जब पहले कभी किया होगा, the name of the reporter, we would write on top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, anywhere. सब कुछ भूल जाओ. Now, just write the way we have put up an article. That is, just below the title, just below the heading, in a bracket. Put up the name of the reporter. If the designation has been given, just in this the designation is given, Secretary of Cultural Club, then put up the designation over here. Else, don't devise any designation. कोई designation बनाने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So now this is the way. What, when, where. Date, time, venue, put up in such a way, what is the function, कब कहाँ, कैसे हुआ, in the first initial line. So Mewada Public, after this reporter's name, leave a line please. Again, no rule. Mewada Public School, Agra, celebrated its Golden Jubilee on 20th December in the school campus. Reason, the prestigious institution has completed 50 years of its glorious contribution in the field of education. कैसे प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हुआ, क्या क्या इवेंट्स हुए, who was the chief guest, what happened, and how the program concluded. All these things have to be put up in the report. लगना चाहिए, here the report has concluded, जैसे मैंने at the end. He gave away the prizes to the winners. So try to create everything, and it is everything you have to create. And this will get in option with articles. So now you can analyze if you get article as well as report in the exam, which one should be easier for you. ये आपको सोचना है. So highlight the chief guest, highlight how the program finished. जैसे the program began with the lighting of the lamp. So the conclusion, program हमेशा conclude होता है. Maybe you can just say the program concluded with the national anthem. लिख सकते हैं sir. There is no stopping anyone. And after the the winners who have given away the prizes, and the program concluded with the national anthem. Make it, write it that way. No problem. And try to show it a realistic. Events लगा दो, winners के नाम डालना चाहो वो डाल दो. Everything is up to you. But in the first two lines, put up what is the function, when, where, was celebrated. वो आना चाहिए in the initial lines. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is something about your report. I show you a couple of more reports. बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चल रहा है. IPL चल रहा है. How many of you are following IPL? Or sir, don't get time. We are loaded with assignments. कुछ से बच्चे तो होंगे जो IPL फॉलो कर रहे होंगे.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड है ना. थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट जरूरी है, नो डाउट, पर ऐसे भी नहीं कि ज़्यादा क्रेजी हो तो. सॉरी, थोड़ा सा हटके. Write a report for the school magazine about 150 words. Please again don't lay stress on the word limit which I have given. Maybe this mix and match for RBSC semester. An exam. You may get this word limit 150. आपको दे सकते हैं 150 to 170. And again I repeat, if the word limit is given 150 to 175, please go towards the limit which is on the higher side. Because till last year, in the writing sections, long compositions, the word limit which was specified was very vague. The word limit mentioned in the papers was 150 to 200 words. Now you can also take now such a huge margin. ये गलत है. And the students who must have gone somewhere near 150 words, whether EJMR was counted or not counted, टेंटेटिव उसने वर्ड्स काउंट किए होंगे कि जाए चलो 10 वर्ड एक लाइन के अंदर है, अराउंड 15-16 लाइन है, तो दोज हैव रिटन समवेयर अराउंड 150 वर्ड्स, they may not have scored full marks in compared to those students who must have written in around 180 words. Long compositions go on the higher side, please. So one day match. तो मैच के बारे में सोचो. हाउ द मैच स्टार्ट्स. पिच कंडीशन लिख सकते हो, टॉस लिख सकते हो, कौन बैटिंग, सब कुछ दिमाग में सोच लो. मैच का क्रिकेट का सीन दिमाग में बैठा लो एंड देन स्टार्ट राइटिंग. द सॉल्यूशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन. रिपोर्ट आई हैव बीन एबल टू फिनिश इन वन पैराग्राफ. एक पैराग्राफ में कर लो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. डोंट मेक मैनी पैराग्राफ्स इन रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. The one-day cricket match between Soli Senior Secondary School and Pragya Senior Secondary Jaipur drew a big enthusiastic crowd. The match was held at Soli Senior Secondary School on 4th June. Students of both the schools had gathered and asked before the match began. The captain Sachin won the toss and elected to bat. Our opening was disastrous. Khatarnak opening रही थी. We lost 4 wickets and the score showed only 20 runs. So these पे 4 थे. Like the condition of Rajasthan Royals yesterday. A century partnership between Sachin and Virat helped us to end with a respectable score of 245 runs. So Virat Pragya Secondary School opened the innings with a bang. Dhamakedar opening day. The openers made 112 runs before they lost their first wicket. After that came their sudden collapse. फिर उनका धमाका शुरू हो गया. Our spinners quit. The whole team won. The whole team was sent to the pavilion on a modest score of 190 runs. हम मैच जीत गए by 50 runs. Our captain was awarded the man of the match for his great contribution. So very simple report for the school magazine. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
अब हम चलते हैं न्यूज रिपोर्ट के लिए. न्यूज रिपोर्ट ऑल्सो विल बी इन द पास्ट टेंस. चीजें वही रहेंगी व्हाट व्हेन वेयर. ओनली द फॉर्मेट चेंजेस अ बिट. एंड अगेन सो दिस इन दिस द नेम, द हेडिंग, द नेम ऑफ द रिपोर्टर, leave a line and then we start the matter directly. Now a minor difference between the news report and report for the magazine is, see the question first. In order to raise funds for the victims of recent earthquake, your school, Chawla Public School or Kota, organized a cultural night. You were present as a reporter to cover the project. Write a report. Just go. Ask me something. Just wait there. Why the limit of 100 word was shown? Now no controversy. So you are a news reporter, and now you are publishing that report for the news. How the things will be? Cultural night by XYZ. Yes. Just give a minute. और कुछ भी सर अपनी लाइन नहीं छोड़ी थी मैं लाइन छोड़ दी कल्चरल नाइट द नेम ऑफ द रिपोर्टर वाज नॉट गिवन सर जस्ट गॉन विथ एक्सपर्ट द नेम ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर इज नॉट गिवन प्लीज जस्ट पुट अप अ टेक्स्ट एंड राइट द वर्ड न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर इज इट ओके समझ आ गया यस स्टूडेंट्स यस आवाज नहीं आ रही
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the name of the newspaper is given, then you can put up the name of the newspaper and so. Suppose the name Times of India is given, yeah, TOI is given, then you can just say by XYZ as TOI reporter. Leave a line. Now, first will be the place, the city, village, या जो भी है, known or unknown. This is the place where the paper is being circulated, or in other words, this is the place where the occasion or the event has taken place. So don't confuse yourself कि अगर बूंदी में हुई है एक्टिविटी सपोज तो हम कोटा के पेपर में छापे कंफ्यूज मत करना जो नाम जहाँ पे एक्टिविटी हुई है वहीं का नाम डाल दें नोन और अननोन अंडरस्टूड ये कौन सा शहर का नाम आया या गांव का नाम आया है नेक्स्ट द डेट दिस इज द डेट ऑन विच the news will be published in the newspaper. समझ में आ गया ये वो
Yes, sir.
डेट है जिस दिन ये प्रिंट होके न्यूज जिस दिन के अखबार में ये न्यूज छप के आएगी नॉट द डेट ऑफ द फंक्शन इवेंट और द ओकेजन फंक्शन पहले हो चुका था रिपोर्ट बाद में छपेगी so this date will be 1 or 2 days later to the date of the event function or the occasion. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना कंफ्यूजन मत रखना put a colon and then start writing from the same line मार्जिन कुछ नहीं छोड़ना है एंटर नहीं दबाना है डेट के बाद start writing after the colon the way I have shown you in the screen or on the screen. Yes, again what when where everything शुरू में how the things took place कौन गेस्ट आया क्या प्रोग्राम हुआ and so. So the students of Chawla Public School were again in the news. This time they organized a gala cultural night on 9th May at 6:30 p.m. in the school auditorium. So 9th May for the event took place and the news is being published the next day. So it's not always necessary कि next day ही आ जाना चाहिए. It can be next to next also. But ऐसा मत कर लेना कि 9th May को the activity took place or the function was there and 10th of June आप पेपर में छाप रहे हो बासी न्यूज keep a check on the date. The artists were mainly students of the school as well as from the neighboring schools. The purpose was raise funds for the victims of the recent earthquake. School children had a concessional entry ticket. Now एक चीज दिमाग में रखना please. Even in notice writing, if you are organizing a show to collect funds for donation, भले नोटिस में भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन जैसे आ सकता है फॉर एग्जांपल that your school has organized a function to collect donations for the flood victims something as such and date time when तो लिखोगे of the function Then add one more additional thing. This will give you full marks. What? Ticket. या entry. Entry ticket का cost लगाना. Because when you are doing arranging a show to collect funds for donation, तो funds collect करने का जरिया तो बताओ. ऐसे नहीं कि फंड डोनेशन के लिए कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे तुम और खर्चा करो तो भाई पैसा आएगा कहाँ से? इज इट ओके?
Yes.
Yes,
है
sir.
ना, इस चीज को प्लीज दिमाग में रखना. तो स्कूल चिल्ड्रन हैड अ कंसर्न टिकट ऑफ 50. एंट्री टू गेस्ट वाज donor tickets of 500, 250 and 150. The students put up a grand show. Various colorful programs such as song, dances, fancy dress, one-night plays were the main attraction. The star attraction was Jasrat, a ghazal singer. या अब तो काफी कुछ प्रोग्राम डाल सकते हो. यस, इंडिया बेस्ट डांसर ऐड कर सकते हो, इंडियन आइडल फेम डाल सकते हो. मैनी थिंग्स यू कैन कीप ऑन एडिंग ओवर हियर. देखो पुरानी स्लाइड बनी हुई मेरी, तो गजल का जमाना था तो गजल लिख दिया. यू कैन पुट अप द इंडियन आइडल फेम, so and so gave the prize. Yeah, he was the main attraction. Sorry, that he kept the audience spellbound for 1 hour. The collection amount check of rupees 2,50,000 was presented to the mayor of the town, who thanked the school for this great cause. So chief guest कौन था? You can highlight in the race and the mayor of the town was the chief guest. And last में, and the guest was handed over the donation check of 2 lakh, and he thanked the school for this great cause. This is the way we have to put up this news. Shall again specify the place, comma, the date on which this report will be published in the newspaper, colon, and then start writing from the same line. Same matter. Date, time, venue तो आएगा ही आएगा, function आएगा, how the things took place, what took place, who attended. So,
मतलब हम सर पूरे रिपोर्ट में WH क्वेश्चंस वही आंसर करते हैं
वही पता है WH क्वेश्चंस के ही आंसर करता है.
और फिर लास्ट में हम फिर एंडिंग से हाउ से करते हैं ना, मतलब
लास्ट में हाउ द थिंग कंक्लूडेड. हाँ, कैसे खत्म हुआ, लगना चाहिए प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया. The program concluded with an action for standard. Yes. With the speech of the mayor, and who thanked the school for this cause and his speech. देखो ऐसा कुछ कोई रोकेगा नहीं आप. But it should be visualized that yes, your report is completed. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Now, एक road accident. Just hold on. The Lavish oblique Lavanya, a staff reporter of the Times, Delhi. He witnessed a road accident involving a truck and Maruti van. The name of the location may be given, may not be given. है ना, वो आपको सब क्रिएट करके लिखना पड़ेगा. Write a report to be published in the newspaper in about 150 words. तो थिंक, इमेज बना लो दिमाग में एक्सीडेंट का और उसको अच्छे से यू कैन स्ट्रक्चर करा. हेड ऑन कोलिजन, कोलिजन इज टकराना. बाय लावण्य, द टाइम्स रिपोर्टर, न्यू दिल्ली, 25 दिसंबर को ये न्यूज छपी है. द डिस्क्रिप्शन, एन ओवरलोडेड ट्रक collided head on with Maruti van carrying family including 3 children. The accident occurred yesterday at the junction of Karol Bagh at about 6:30 p.m. Both the vehicles were at high speed. Now, whenever you put up something related to accidents, each is try to put up in a realistic way, according to the eyewitness or as per the eyewitness. It's not necessary that the reporter was present at the scene कि जैसे एक्सीडेंट साइट यहाँ पे रोज एक्सीडेंट होते हैं, वो सुबह से बैठा है कि अभी होगा एक्सीडेंट, अभी होगा, पूरा कैप्चर करके वो रिपोर्ट बना रहे, नथिंग एल्स. हाउ डू द रिपोर्टर्स कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन? आसपास के लोगों से, हाँ कि ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
राइट दिस थिंग एज पर द आई विटनेस, जैसे हिंदी में लिखते हैं ना, प्रत्यक्षदर्शियों के अनुसार. एड ऑन टू इट, इट विल लुक रियलिस्टिक. कैसे हुआ था एक्सीडेंट? द एक्सीडेंट occurred when the truck lost its control and crashed into the van coming from the opposite direction. The impact was so great that the van overturned. All the 5 passengers of the truck car, including 3 children, were killed on the spot. The cleaner of the truck was injured. The driver is absconded. The driver truck छोड़कर भाग गया, उसे क्लीनर को अरेस्ट कर लिया. The injured were taken to, और now क्या एक्शन लिया गया, रेमेडीज करेगी. The injured were taken to MN hospital. A police case for negligent driving has been registered against the driver of the. So you could have added conclusion here. The truck driver has been arrested for negligent driving, for drunken driving, या तो वो ट्रक छोड़ के भाग गया, तो इसमें है कि वो कौन से दूर है, तो केस दायर कर दिया है. So this is the way you put up related to accidents. Make the thing look realistic. है ना, आराम से इसको आप बना सकते. Is it okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
The annual sports day of Cambridge School, Noida was held. You are Pranita, a news reporter. Write a report to be published in the local news. तो स्कूल का स्पोर्ट्स डे. नाउ प्लीज, ये मैंने काफ़ी बड़ा बनाया जस्ट टू शो यू पॉइंट्स. डोंट आस्क सर इतनी वर्ड लिमिट, कितने मार्क्स का आएगा ये, है ना? तो डोंट गो फॉर दैट. भावनाओं को समझो. यू कैन एनालाइज सम पॉइंट्स यू फील लाइक फ्रॉम सच थिंग्स.
यस सर.
Annual Sports Day by Pranita, News Reporter. Noida, date published. The annual sports day of Cambridge School Noida was held on 12th November in the school play. CBS के बारे में बता दिए. Mrs. Sharma, the mayor, was invited into the honor with the chief guest. The headmistress Rupa Roy welcomed the guests and parents. Now, various activities have added over here. एग्जाम में आप लिखो तो इतनी जरूरत नहीं है आपको, वही आपकी वर्ड लिमिट एक्सीड हो जाएगी. बट इन दिस आई एम एग्जैगरेटेड ताकि यू कैन एनालाइज कि क्या कुछ आप कर सकते हो. द ग्रैंड फिनाले, जिसमें तो एक दिन का नहीं था, 2-3 दिन का बताया था. द ग्रैंड फिनाले वाज द चीफ गेस्ट गिव द प्राइजेस टू द विनर्स. And the speech she emphasized the importance of games and sports in school life. ये point आप ऐड कर सकते हो हमेशा. And how the function came to an end. ऐसे function जब end होते हैं हमेशा it's a vote of thanks by the principal. Vote of thanks is thanking everyone, the chief guest as well as the audience or the spectators present in front of everyone. So chief guest, so the end of the function ऐसे कर सकते हो. The function came to an end with a vote of thanks by the principal, Mr. Bose, who applauded the students' efforts and thanked the guests for making the function a success. इस तरीके से आप प्रोग्राम को समापन कर सकते हैं. Is this okay? Understood?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट के मर्डर की बहुत कुछ देख सकते थे, मैंने काफ़ी छोटा सा बनाया कि आगे से स्टूडेंट्स का टॉपिक के हिसाब से एडजस्ट करेंगे. बाय शाहरुख, न्यूज़, मेरठ, 27. A 20-year-old BTech student Amitabh Singh was found murdered under mysterious circumstances in Artipura on Saturday. The incident took place around after 7:30 p.m. The cop found Singh's body near Rosie apartment with multiple wounds. The wounds of the body suggest he was stabbed several times. Though nothing can be ascertained so early, we are suspecting person and ये पुलिस ने कहा था, ऑफिसर सेड एक गांव में काफी सारे गांव थे और कोई दुश्मनी की रंजिश का मामला है. A case of murder has been registered. You can make the things look realistic. The body has been sent for postmortem. लिख सकते हो, लिखो उसको ऐसी चीज को. And a special police team is investigating the matter. No arrest has been made so far. और फिर इन्वेस्टिगेट करती है वो करो. और आप चाहो कि पुलिस was very prompt. Within 24 hours, the police nabbed the culprits. Or the police corrected the footages from the CCTVs. जो आज की तारीख में होता है. And the culprits were, the murderers were arrested. कर सकते हो. और यहाँ पे नहीं, तो no arrest have been made so far. और एक investigation team बनाई गई. So this is how the things have to be put. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. कोई questions are going on, कोई solutions are going on. Daylight robbery, road accident. एक और road accident आ गई. देख सकते हो. The horrible road accident on 17 March took away two. देखो 17th को आया, 20th को लिख रहे हैं पेपर में. As per eyewitnesses, a bus collided with an oil tanker coming from the opposite direction. The accident took place near Hazratganj at 6 a.m. The driver of the bus lost control of the speeding bus. The driver of the tanker tried to take a sharp turn. There was sudden collision. The bus was toppled over. Oil tanker caught fire. Most of the children were saved. The conductor and the schoolboy died from the spot. 10 students received minor injuries. They were admitted to the nearby hospital. The fire brigade arrived within 10 minutes. The oil flowed onto the road and caught fire. The loss ran into thousands of. So, कैसी भी तरह से आप फ्रेम कर सकते हो. इट्स नथिंग आज वेरी सिंपल करो. Very many things. So this is the difference between news report and the report for the school matters. I hope the thing is clear with in everybody's mind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now one question I'd like to ask all of you. I'll come to the first report which I showed you. Yeah. Now this question. Noida Public School, Agra has recently celebrated its Golden Jubilee. Yes, this we have done. Now this is a report to be published for the school magazine. Now the question is, can such a report can be asked to be published in the newspaper? Yes or no?
Yes.
आ सकता है या नहीं आ सकता?
Yes, sir.
आ सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the solution. Just go through the solution. Not tell me. I'm not talking about the format. Format की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm just talking about the matter. Right from Nevada Public School to last में the winners. Do you think the matter will have to be changed, or you can just copy and paste it in that news report?
Copy paste कर. सर डेट नहीं है इसमें।
फॉर्मेट में क्या बोला कि फॉर्मेट भूल जाओ, तो आप लिखोगे आगरा 22 दिसंबर, वो लिख दिया। And talk about the running matter, I just
ये
told you,
content
never a public talking about only the content I'm saying. I did not say the format. सुनो मेरी बात बेटा।
कर सकते हैं ना कॉपी पेस्ट?
कर सकते हैं, पूछ रहे हो या करेंगे?
सर करेंगे सर।
So this is it. So there is no need to change this method. You can use it the same way in the news report also. Except the format, उसके अंदर कैसे स्टार्ट होगा? आगरा, कॉमा 21st December या 22nd December according to you, colon, and then the matter will start. So this is the way the things have to be done. So I hope this news report for the magazine is also clear. Articles are also clear.
यस सर।
Yes,
With
sir.
this, we are through with our reading, with our writing sections also. Writing section भी अब हमारा अब समाप्त हो गया. Now what are we left with? Only the vistas, the chapter of the vistas. Yes, I'll just take last 5 minutes for you to explain something about your reading section, in which there is nothing what I can teach. Reading section, you'll have 2 passages, 2 paragraphs, followed by MCQ. Yes. So now, how to attempt? First of all, read the passage, go through the questions, again read the passage. Second time ध्यान से पढ़ोगे, शायद कुछ एक questions आपको समझ में आना चाहेंगे. You may have to read the passage again also, maybe. Now, in any way, it's of no use to tell the students to read the passage, understand the passage, and then answer the questions, because this is what is written in the direction. Direction में यही लिखते हैं, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. I don't know that how many students follow this. तो स्टूडेंट्स तो वही करते हैं, पहला क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, पैराग्राफ में से आंसर ढूंढेंगे, सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, आंसर ढूंढेंगे, थर्ड क्वेश्चन ढूंढेंगे, आंसर ढूंढेंगे, थर्ड क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, they'll try to search the answer. Yes or no? Many of the students, I won't say all, but many, or few, chalo, whatever, but not all, they read and understand the passage. So first advice always is to read and understand the things. चलो कितना भी बोलो, आप तो वही करोगे जो आपको करना है. Now how to attempt? First thing keep in mind is, please attempt the answers in a sequence. Yes, a general request, please attempt the answers in a sequence. This does not make it that suppose you go to the first question, you don't know the answer, so you keep on thinking, 10 minutes, 15 minutes उसका आंसर ढूंढो. This is not what I mean to say. Suppose if you don't know the first answer, छोड़ दो. Yes, first का first part नहीं आया, छोड़ दो in the sense for that particular time. Then go with the second. Second का अगर आपका ऑप्शन आपको आता है कि suppose it is B, then write the option B and then follow it up with the phrase which is there in that answer. Question for example is that what does France like? Options में है A, France like grammar, second है France likes outdoor activities, C है France likes studying, or fourth is France likes the school teacher. What will be the correct answer?
B.
है ना? So आंसर क्या था? France likes the outdoor activities. लिखोगे. Then suppose you attempt the third. Suppose third भी नहीं आ रहा है आपको, confusing लग रहा है. Yes. So don't after second attempt the fourth one. ये मत करना. Then you go for this one. आपको बताता हूँ. This is what is important. ये आपको करना है. Hope you have understood what I'm trying to tell. Put the things in continuity. I don't mean that suppose one the first you don't know keep on thinking this is what not I mean. Proceed. तुम रोको मत अपने पेन को. But first के लिए space छोड़ दो. Then attempt the second. And along with the option, yes, along with the option number, A, B, C, D जो भी है, put up the sentence also along with it. This is what you have to do in your exams. Then you attempt the third. Suppose नहीं आता है, third, second के बाद third number लिख दो, leave 1 or 2 lines and then write fourth and continue the way you know. So, because this will be easier for the copy checkers to check. Now assume that you are checking the copies of a student. Assume करो आप copies check कर रहे हो. Assume करो. Suppose you are checking the copy and वैसा things are checked. Yes, objective type MCQ जो होती है सीधे सीधे ना आंसर की सेट इन द माइंड. आंसर तेरे दिमाग में बैठ जाता है ABCD ABCD AB. Suppose this is the thing set in the mind. This is the answer key. दो कॉपी चेक करोगे you realize this answer key in the mind. ABCD DBCA AB. This is the answer. This is the. Now suppose you are checking the copy and the student does not answer the first one. वो सीधा second वालों को पहला लिखता है. Suppose your mistake, you will assume this second one to be the first. तो first का आंसर क्या था? आंसर की के हिसाब से ABCD. Try to understand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
और आप उसको assume कर रहे हो आंसर बच्चे ने तो B लिखा है तो आप उसको सही करोगे गलत करोगे? गलत कर दोगे ना. एंड बाद में उसने थर्ड भी नहीं किया, बाद में फोर्थ कर दिया. फोर्थ का आंसर हमारे की के हिसाब से डी था, बच्चे ने लिखा है ए, तो अगेन दैट आंसर गोज रॉन्ग इन स्पाइट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आंसर बीइंग करेक्ट. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो डोंट लेट दिस थिंग कम इनटू योर, डोंट फेस सच प्रॉब्लम. Maybe it is the ignorance from the copy checkers, but why should we initiate those things? Right one, नहीं आता है, leave it for the moment, leave 1 or 2 lines, come to the second one, attempt those in continuity, the ones you know, and then continue the next question. And after when you come to revise the answer sheet, this again will act as an indicator. This spaces will make you realize, अरे बेवकूफ, ये अभी फर्स्ट और थर्ड तो मैंने किया ही नहीं है, ये कौन करेगा? Then we start searching the answers. Got the point? So make the thing easier. So not only write this option, but also write the statement which follows that option. So this is the way you have to attempt your reading section also. समझ आ गया किस सबसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
है ना? And word meanings are such, आता तो आता है, नहीं आता है तो नहीं आता है. If at any of the question you are stuck, don't waste time unnecessarily. Hold करना उसको, pause करके continue with the other questions and then come back again to search the things. Because when you want to take chances, तो तुक्का ही मारना है, तो जब लास्ट में टाइम होगा तब तुक्का मारना, जय माता दी बोल के तो नंबर पसंद आता है उसको चले जाना. If you don't understand the question, but then at the end, not at the initial stage. So this is the way you have to go for your reading sections. So read the passage, understand the passage, and then start attempting the. This time you will have 40 MCQs in all. This my reading part passage based will be 20 marks. 2 passages will be given. So आराम से करना, it won't be difficult. So this is something about your reading as well as the writing section completed. Flamingo we have completed earlier. Now we are left with 5 chapters of vistas, and those 5 topics of vistas will start from tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. So tomorrow we'll have I hope you don't have any test or something. नहीं है ना कुछ भी?
अभी तो मैसेज नहीं आया था, शाम को आएगा.
सर कल है.
अब किसके पास आ गया? कल है.
सर आया मैसेज नहीं आया सर, प्लानर में दिया है.
प्लानर में दिया है कितने बजे? तो टाइम तो तुम कभी भी कर सकते. आई वाज टोल्ड दैट स्टूडेंट्स कैन अपीयर एनी टाइम. व्हाट आई वाज
सर
है ना,
स्टार्ट किसी भी समय कर सकते हैं.
हाँ तो देन we won't mess up with the class. Let us go as per the schedule. No confusions. So again tomorrow our class will be scheduled at the same time. 8:30, and we'll take up the chapters from Vistas. Okay, all of you.
Okay.
Test hoga, then I'll leave a bit early. Don't worry for that, but we'll have the class as per schedule. So thank you all. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy learning. Maintain social distancing. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care of yourself. अगर आप अपना ध्यान रखोगे, नो डाउट बाकी सब भी सही रहेंगे, है ना? थैंक यू ऑल एंड सी यू अगेन टुमारो.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
थैंक यू. बाय बाय. बाय बाय.
See ya. Have a good day.